it's back in the garage.
Yep. On a scooter, like flattened it.
I probably should watch where they were going.
You should have watched where you were
He
going.
turned right in front of it, didn't he? Did you see him?
Walking? Go on, lady.
That was bathing. like the lizard.
Your wife is having a Nana moment.
That's what he does.
Are you recording?
All I taste is chocolate.
I asked for caramel and I didn't get one.
It's funny.
You drinking it?
No.
I know.
Mikey?
Nasty.
There's a combination of...
I really don't like it.
Let me throw it at the old man.
If you had a knife, you'd be in jail.
How you?
That hill may be small, but it's long. Yeah,
Look at her hair.
it's very rusty one. I'll try it. Mama, I want to get out. Mom, you don't think any
Oh my God, the name of a store.
Yeah. You want
Take her.
Hey, he's a boy.
Let's go stick to Andrew.
Yeah, you're not a girl. You're not supposed
I have more hair than Dad does.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to have clean shaven legs.
They're not clean.
That's true, but you're gonna get razor burned. Was that what was in the bathtub? That whole ring of stuff? You didn't rinse it out, right?
I forgot about that. There was a huge fuzzy caterpillar on Joey's porch a couple days ago. I was playing with it.
Will they take off
I don't want to hurt him. Multiple.
Why are we staying calm? Because you have to. Why? Because this isn't a moment for chaos? No. Oh, just my feet.
Okay.
Mom, I gotta take my... This is a horse animal. It's kind of like a bird dance, but it's not. Like the,
Right.
You watch like the bird dance up and down, and then the song is so sweet. Again. Okay.
No.
Now is it? Well, that's all I can get. Well, from now on, I'm gonna do my car run. But you're gonna have to move. And so are you, Tar.
Oh no.